No way you cast it on. Bro, what is that? Gosh, it's a redfish. He got a redfish.
It's a good one.
Oh, this is yours. Pick it up, pick it up. Here, here. Set it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go on, it's a good one.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Last Cast TV, man. We're back with another video. Today we're gonna be fishing for whatever bites. Here's the bait. Y'all. Using crappie as bait. Got a full bucket full of crappie. They're killing the white perch as we're fishing. Fishing with T and Elias. Caught another perch. Yes, sir. Yeah, we're gonna throw this out there so we can get something bigger. I see you, bro.
He stole my bait.
I see you too, bro. Another one. Sheesh. Yeah, she got a nice catfish right there. Moving. Yep. I forgot about the hole that quick. No homo though. No homo. Oh, there we go. Bite. Dang.
Crappie, right?
Yeah. Yee! Live action. You watching him? But this one got no bait on it too.
No bite on it?
I didn't even mean to say that. Giant. Eli's got a PB stick.
Yeah.
No way you cast it on. Bro, what is that? Ain't no way that's a perch. That gotta be a rockfish. I think that's a rockfish. Elias, do not lose that. It's a rockfish. I told you.
No way, bro.
Like 13 inches.
Damn, no way.
Bro, you caught a nice rockfish.
Bro, slam the day.
That's wild. I just said it ain't too big.
I'll catch a big fish, bro.
You ain't catching them, bro.
I haven't been on him, bro.
Oh! Someone
Bro,
too.
work it slow, but don't get snagged, bro. Be careful.
Gosh, that's a redfish! He got a redfish!
Hey, it's a good one too. No way!
Bro!
No way! That's crazy.
Oh, this is yours. Pick it up, pick it up. Here, here. Set it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go on, it's a good one.
Bro, let me pick my rod up. Bro.
Bro, it's a good one. It's a good one, bro.
Bro. Oh my gosh.
No way.
Bro, hold on. Yes,
I don't
sir.
know what this is,
Bro, it's out there. I see it.
bro. It's huge.
Bro, don't fight it too hard. Bro, what is that? Bro,
It's big.
it's big.
This is on the perch.
Bro, that joint says, zzz, bro, hold on, T. Bro, I gotta get the net. Hold on. I gotta get the net. Bro.
Oh, it's
Oh, don't fight too hard. Oh, it's a stick.
no, it's something on there, bro.
It's something good.
Bro, it's...
Yes, sir. Bro, it's something good. Bro.
Oh my gosh, Evan,
It's a big catfish. Don't fight it too hard. There's nothing to get hung into, bro. Don't pull the hook or... Bro, I'm geeking, bro. It's something good. Just... Let's bust the net. Bro. What is it? Bro. That is OC. Elias, what is that, bro?
I don't know. All right, come right here.
Bro. What is it? I got the net ready.
I definitely got a stick.
Oh, it's a catfish. It's a big one. Bro, it's a good cat. It's a good catfish. I told you the big ones fight hard. Bring it over. Is it in there? Got it. The one's got me. Yes, sir. Whew. Good. Let's get it.
That was a good ass fight.
Yes, sir. Told you some good catfish over here.
And I caught a drum, bro.
Caught a red drum.
And a nice ass cat.
Yes, sir.
Right,
My rod.
here.
Oh.
He's on me.
I see him. Got it.
You got it.
Yep, got it.
You want 40?
Yep. Got it. Oh. Let's get it, y'all. First one we hooked up. Yes, sir. Bro, that bite just turned on OC. Jeez. Yes, sir, y'all. Little cat. Still counts. What's on the bluegill? Let's go. Yes, sir.
It's your arm.
Gay!